Where are we, family? Okay, me and Tadu are gonna tell you. Face us. We are in Bali. Oh, congratulations to the winner that got the answer right. If you did it, it's okay. It's okay. We still love you.
So, family, we're just about to head into customs. So we will explain the story on how this all came about and how we ended up in Bali. Alright?
Are you excited? We're in Bali, family. Let's go and do this.
See you outside.
Welcome to my beautiful country, Bali.
Man, tell you it is muggy. We're just gonna head off to find a taxi and hopefully then try and get ripped off to our hotel, relax, check in, and chill out.
Okay, so we are here. I don't know, I feel like I'm a bit mixed emotions how I'm feeling, but I just want to get to our hotel, refresh, and then we'll go from there.
Better.
Like,
Better
yeah, you know
here?
when we come out from departure,
Yeah.
can we come in this tunnel and look for a taxi, like you?
Yeah.
If you live long enough, you know that won't he do it? With just one sunrise, my life bumps and bruises, battle scars had to prove my loyalty for my hood. These are better days. Voices from vices got me standing here, singing praises to your name for saving me from my yesterday. Second chances come with every sunrise. I wake up feeling like the Most High's favorite child, cause he gave me you. A breath of fresh air and a brand new morning, painted blue. I wake up blessed and highly favored, just to see another day. Proof that chances come.
What are you eating?
Quite healthy food.
Okay, so we're just here at Macca's, and this is the reason why we love coming to these Bali Macca's. They've got the best Macca's I've ever eaten, actually. I'm gonna say that. Yep. So their pricing on the thingy is, so I got the chicken burger with cheese, and I also got, because I wanted to taste some spicy chicken, so I've got that panes too. You can see that one there where my finger was. And my meal costed $3.40 basically. $3.40, and the panes was $3.90. Yes, family, you heard me correct. So in total I only spent $600, but for the both of us we spent $10 something. So we're winning. This is our first meal in Bali. We really wanted to try it out. Hi! Say hi to our channel. Hello. So this is my $6 something meal. 2 pieces of chicken. This is not a burger. This is rice. Rice. It says rice on there. That's rice, my fries. This is my chicken burger with cheese. Even says it on there as well. And my 2 drinks that I will probably only drink one. There's taru. If you want to know more about anything here, comment in the comment section. Comment in the comment section. I just want to eat. Okay, bye. So we got a iced coffee, actual iced coffee. So where are we, honey? Mama's, oh hold on, it's not focused. Mama's German restaurant.
We ate here once before the last time we came in.
Yeah,
It's nice.
it's really nice here, yeah. And this is the scenery, the road. Our hotel's down that way. We just walked a bit down.
So breakfast has come, guys. Ready to dig in.
Yes.
All done.
I totally forgot to Snapchat our food, but it was
Sarah's
so good.
taking a snap.
It was delicious. That's
It
what
was
we got.
really nice. This big breakfast. It was so good.
I forgot to take a
I
photo
am gonna
of
give
my
it
food and I had to take a photo of that.
I'm gonna give it an honest 8.
It was very good.
Happiness, yeah? I think.
Yeah.
Maybe sorry, 8.5. An honest 8.5. It was beautiful. Yeah. What's
Huh?
yours?
Oh, what do I rate it?
Yeah.
I rate it like a 6.
Thank you very much.
My favorite thing on that plate was the sausage. And this orange juice, freshly squeezed, it actually tastes so good. Yeah, honey, what do you rate it?
I already gave it. I gave it 8.5.
You get an 8? I thought like that was lenient.
But
That's too lenient.
to be honest, I'm still hungry. I can't overdo it. Still got a long day. And I can't eat too much.
Okay, TNS squad, so we have ended, honey. We've ended up in a massage parlor. It's down, what's the street called? Benesari Road. It's like next to our hotel, but not, like a bit further down. But this is probably the only place that we have found. They're Christians. Normally everywhere we go, they're Hindu or Muslim. Yeah, but we always find, we never find an actual place that is Christian, but God is good. Yeah, so we're doing a massage. How much is it, honey? Dum-dum.
60.
$6, family. $6. I'm loving it. Okay, we're going back to sleep now. I love feeling relaxed. This guy loves it. Good night. Aww. What is it that you want? Aww. Okay, family, so we have finished. It's really busy on this road. We have finished doing our massage. Okay, 3, 2, 1, rate it. 3, 2, 1, 5. So we're just walking down Ligian. Is it Ligian Street? Ligian Street. Oh, I don't even know what the street is called. But We're gonna go back to the hotel. We might go for a swim. We just gotta go and check if the vlog has gone up because it was uploading as we speak. So we're in Mini Mart and I'm going to get this drink here for 50 cents. This is 50 cents, 5,000 rupiah. And a bottle of water. Honey, you want a water? For 45 cents. For 45 cents. They don't have the big waters here. Tari's just looking at getting him a snack. Chips. Okay, give us a rundown of how much it is.
So this, it's 65 cents. Yeah?
Yep.
5 cents. That one's $1.50.
This one here is $1.50.
$1.05, eh?
Yeah, $1.50. Oh, five, yeah. Yeah, no, $1.50 is 5,000, but that's 5 cents.
Try that?
Yeah, I want to try that one. Oh, that one that he grabbed. That's my favorite chips. The ring. Yeah, and that's 48 cents. The 65 cent one. So get this, family. We were walking 51,000. That's $5.10. Okay, so we were going into a shop, and I asked him how much was a price for this item, and he started speaking to me in Balinese, like he thought I was local, and I thought that was so funny because I was like, I started speaking to him in Samoan and he was laughing. I was like, oh sorry, I thought you were local. Alright, anyways, we're going. Bye!
What's up, family? So we are on Kuta Beach at the moment. I'm thinking this could have been a real beautiful place at one stage. It's still nice. Nice.
It looks like the sun is growing.
Yeah. A lot of stands, days, the water's roaring. Kuta Beach. The only trouble with being here, you get hassled. That's the only thing. You're trying to relax on the beach, but you get hassled.
The vlog life.
But yeah, that's pretty much it for Kuta. So we're just looking for a place to have a bit of lunch / dinner.
I'm excited to eat because I'm starving. Honey, you're walking like...
When aren't we excited to eat?
Seriously, family, y'all know we love to eat.
Get on to the money. Baby, get on to it. Oh, stop. Yes, stay, honey. Thank you. Okay, family, so this is the spot we have chosen.
How do you say it? Paradise Dynasty.
Legend of Chao Long Bao.
So this place is inside Beach Walk. It's a shopping center. It's like one of the main shopping centers in Kuta. And yeah, we'll be eating here. I like the menu. Everywhere we went, I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling the smell that was like coming from around the area. But it's there. Yeah. We're gonna go inside and eat. I'm excited. Like always.
Right, one Coke. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Yes.
Morning. Oh, yum. So family, we're just having breakfast now, and you would have seen it's a buffet, and this is our first course. So we're gonna say our prayer so we can eat, and then get into a bit more food later.
Where are you going, brother?
We're going. Alright family, so we're in Waterbomb now. We've got our locker. Gonna get our stuff in there, and then I'm gonna change over to the GoPro. See you guys there.
Get on. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, jump out the whip on 'em, whip on 'em. You know how I get, homie, homie. I'm too sharp for these dub brothers, too smooth for these rough cutters. Oh, trying to be me, my whole life, but I get caught up with that all life. Yeah, you know how they thinking go, but I'm about to get it on tonight. Hold tight, whole spot with me. You seeing them, you seeing me, man, it's the same difference. 100 shame, no, we ain't changed. Okay, your boy might be a little different. Go hard, like concrete. Hold up, when you get me, man, I be out in these streets. Yeah, get it poppin' quick, yeah. Let the feeling jumpin' out the whip. Jumped out the whip. Now we ain't got no problems. About to kill it. Ain't nothing that gon' stop us. They can feel it, but they all in their feelings. They can get it, tell them all better get it. They can feel it, and it's all alright. They can get it, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ay, 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 ay. Jumped out the whip. Ay, 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 ay. And I jumped out the whip. Ay, 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 ay. Jumped out the whip. Ay, 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 ay. And I jumped out the whip. Yeah, jumped out the whip on 'em, I'm being me, I'm the one and only. Stepping up so clean, ain't a stain on me. press record. I ain't playing around. Yeah, they give it up, but I'm staying down. Get it right, man, I'm getting to it. We're living, flipping, and in instant. Watch me do it. All up, yeah, it's all good. And I'm jumping out the whip to prove. Shine on 'em. Yeah, man, we shine on 'em. Every time, wasting time, I ain't got time for it. Whip clean, my whip clean. I ain't riding dirty, man, I'm pristine. Jumping out the whip. Now we ain't got no problems. About to kill it. Ain't nothing that gon' stop us.
Stop, family.
Hey fam. Okay, so we've just finished here at Waterbomb. We actually wanted to explain why we haven't vlogged for the last 2 days. So we vlogged on the first, a little bit on the second day, and we skipped the third. Is it the third and fourth?
Yeah.
Oh no, wait, so we skipped the ending of the third day and we skipped the entire day of the fourth day. And reason being is because there's just some stuff that's happening back at home, and we just, Taru and I were just in another mindset. So what we were doing is we were just seeking in His Word. We needed His comforting, we needed God's comforting, and we just didn't want to vlog much of that just because of the situation that's happening back at home. So yeah, we are feeling much better today. We did make it out to Waterbomb, and tomorrow let the trip continue on. You know, there was a word that we read, and it was just the book of Colossians, and it really just gave us confirmation on everything that is happening. We just leave it up to God, and whatever He's got in store, whether it is His plan to
go this way or go that way.
That's what it will be. But yeah, so we are going to go find a taxi, and the taxi that we always catch is Bluebird.
Bluebird. If I can find a picture online or one here, I'll show you. But that one.
It's not that one.
Not that one. Okay, guys.
It's like a lighter blue color.
So yeah, family. Pretty much been Sarah's been raping the massages. I don't really like massages personally.
I've been loving the massages.
She's been going hard, but when we get home, I'll show you the other reason why I don't really go and get massages and stuff. But like I said, we'll wait till we get home.
Honey, let's go into Discovery Shopping Mall.
Okay, so we're gonna go into Discovery Shopping Mall. Actually, also, sorry boss, I hope you guys liked our footage at Waterbomb with the GoPro. We had quite a bit of fun, but like we said, you know, the last couple of days have been a struggle mentally, so we try to get as much as we could. But yeah, we're gonna go check out this Discovery Mall. Before we go off, also I just wanted to give a massive shout out to Jerome Nasa. Cheers. I did not know that I put this in my bag, and when I opened up my bag, because I was dying for his word and I was using my phone, I was like, open up my bag, and Jerome Nasa's Bible was in my bag. So thanks, praise God. Thank you, bro, for the Bible. I'll return it to you once we get home. But yeah, that's a Bluebird taxi, that light blue color.
Sambua.
Ah, yeah.
Sambua.
Yeah.
Hey, brother, different mother. Hey, Gavin. What's your name? Shak. Fast.
Shak. Fast.
A few moments later.
Yep, that's definitely not the door. Alright family, if you guys have been to Bali, that's just one of the many things you go through. You know, street hustlers, they're trying to make cash. Fair enough. Trying to feed their families, provide, whatever, do what they gotta do. But yeah, you just gotta kind of expect it. At first, it's like, it's alright. Hey love.
At first it's okay, but then when it's like continuous, everywhere we walk,
every single day.
Yeah, but it's okay. We've learned to just be like, it's alright.
Like you can kind of turn a blind eye and be like, just walk. Like when someone sees you at the shopping mall and they're like, oh yo, and you're just like.
Or when you like, seriously, I know that you can relate to this, but you know how you have those friends on Facebook and you talk to them online, and then when you see them in person, you like run away from them. You're like, oh my gosh, I don't say hello. I'm just gonna pretend that I didn't see. Oh yeah, honey, look at that.
Yo. Oh, look at my shoe. Yeah, so it's pretty funny though. But you kind of learn to deal with them, like, you know, because they all say the same stuff, like, hey, you come to my shop.
But they all
I had
sell the
this, I
same
had
thing.
that. Yeah. Probably the only difference is some of the stuff they sell look a little bit more genuine, or it's a little bit more cleaner. So yeah, wife wanted to come and have a look in here. So we've never been in this part.
Was crowned with thorns is crowned with glory now. The Savior knelt to wash our feet. Now at his feet we bow. The one who wore our sin and shame now robed in majesty, the radiance of perfect love now shines for all to see. Your name is victory. Oh, praise will rise to Christ our King. Your name is victory. Oh, praise will rise to Christ our King. The fear that held
See, it's got sunburn. How was it? Was it a survey?
Yeah, it was just a survey. And everyone, don't ever give your real information. If you know you're going out into a country, make sure that you've got your like fake name prepared and other hotels that you know of that's not yours.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we did. What I just did.
A little hack.
And crooked generation, then you will shine among them like stars in the sky as you hold firmly to the word of life. And then I will be able to boast on the day of Christ that I did not run or labor in vain. But even if I am being poured out like a drink offering on the sacrifice and service coming from your faith, I am glad and rejoice with you. I hope in the Lord Jesus to send Timothy to you soon, that I also may be cheered when I receive news.
What's up, fam? So we decided to come to Fast Eddie's shop. You would have seen him just before when we were outside Discovery Mall. So let you see wifey in her element.
Hurry, Eddie!
So this is a bit of bartering. I usually let my wife do it. She's pretty good at it. I'm too much of a sucker.
Hurry, darling.
She does.
I'm gonna talk to you now.
Fair
Because Eddie,
bargain,
you've
you know.
been naughty.
Some of them are cheeky.
Honey, how much? Or like this, 2 for 100. That one.
So we're going for 2 singlets.
This one, 50
So
for
one
2.
like this.
Come
And let's
on.
see one.
Baile poco le ang along gengel le.
And
Together, paduratas like this.
sorry, and then one small one for
No.
Lenny boy.
Together,
And,
150.
This one a little bit.
Elephant.
Hurry, I give you money now.
They're cool pants.
I
man.
give you
They're
money
awesome
now.
pants.
200.
No, darling.
It's
No.
sold.
And then
I
blue.
think
Honey,
it's
give
sealed.
me a wallet.
I think it's sealed.
200 blue plastic bag.
Oh, free plastic bag,
What a
free
bargain.
helicopter.
Free
Come
plastic
on,
bag,
darling,
guys.
150.
One ID lang, okay, just wait. One ID.
150.
One ID.
150.
This 48, this one 50.
Darling, this is, you try and sell me this for 50. This is an adult t-shirt.
40.
This
40.
was 30. 30, 20.
Oh, where you ask me?
150.
Come on, darling.
Look, darling.
180, please.
150, and that's my last.
180, darling.
150, darling.
170 in the middle, darling.
150.
170. Please, I know you good heart.
Oh, nah. No, I go now. Let's go.
Okay.
160, okay.
150.
150.
150. You're so naughty to me. Honey, do you want anything else?
Ka-ching! Bro, is that one dead? This one's dead.
Is it good?
Yeah. Oh no, he's not. He moved his eye.
How about that? How sad is that?
They're so dirty.
Damn bottle.
I say that and jump out.
Really?
Yeah. There he is. So wifey back at her
Short,
negotiations.
2 for 70.
short, big size.
170 altogether.
Yeah!
Hey, don't come here. Yeah. Naughty boy. Yeah. Okay, come on. 2 for 70. Darling, last price, or else I put it back.
75, okay.
No, 70.
Okay.
Up to you, darling.
See, you,
$1,
it's
$1,
you.
no problem. No problem, $1.
Honey, ole
are
ale
these
kawe
two-
a makai.
So, for me, lima kala, so $5 a piece.
Lima?
And then we came down to 4.
Okay.
Yeah, how many?
Oh no, 3. Kolukala lim sepuluh.
Okay.
Yeah.
10.
Sepuluh. No.
So it's pretty funny because these guys
No,
say
not
5 the
sepuluh.
way that we do as well. So lima.
Lima sepuluh.
Lima is 5.
1.
But when they say
You
sepulu,
see? I'm
we
from
say
Jakarta.
sefulu. Yeah, 10.
Wait, hey, look. I want
so
black
yeah, there's a lot
or
of
white. Nice.
similarities.
Do you
It's
have?
quite funny. When you do bargain, you get to like a point where you're able to just walk away, but you can't pull out the walk away too early. If you pull the walk away too early,
He knows. He knows what we're talking about.
you pull the walk away too early, bro. They'll let you go. They'll
Yeah.
just be like, yeah, okay. But if you bargain, talk, and then maybe get the
Even
walk
if you
away,
have an Adidas one.
depends. It might work. Depends. Depends on the.
Monkey boy. Look, monkey boy.
You say you watch YouTube?
Monkey boy.
Okay,
You watch
then,
YouTube?
okay.
YouTube.
Yeah.
On the phone? This is YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah, Chuck Norris.
See, good people, happy people.
This one, monkey boy.
Adidas,
Okay.
white.
Monkey boy. Cut, monkey
Oh,
boy.
yeah.
Look.
Can I
Hold
see
on,
the
I'll make it nice. There it is. The boy?
Monkey boy.
Honey, oh,
Monkey boy. Baby.
Okay, fam. So we're on the street of Ligier. That there is a memorial of when the Bali bombing happened. Right there. We are headed over to our hotel, and our hotel's like more down. We haven't had dinner yet, so I don't know what we're gonna have.
Okay, family. Hey! She's back at it again with Harry Hazza. She's getting a bag. Hey, Harry. Getting a bag.
Nah, honey, he said fikukala.
Come another day. Bye, Harry. See ya, Harry. Harry's being a rip-off, bruh.
Harry being naughty boy. Rudy, I come tomorrow. Harry being naughty boy.
Yo!
Pakai tangan, lihat ini.
Hey, we look like brothers.
Yeah, same, yeah.
How much for your tin, mate?
How much?
10,000.
10,000 $100.
Yeah, you tell him, wife.
How much?
70. How much?
70.
Yeah,
Look how dirty they are in the shirt.
How much do you think?
No.
How much?
Oh, look at everything.
What do you think? How much?
Hey, puppy.
And it's not too
I want to touch it. It's probably so dirty. Okay guys, excuse the lighting, it's a bit dim, but we finally managed to make it back to our hotel. We actually walked from Waterbong, and that is quite a distance. We're ready to get some dinner and call it a night, I think. Call it a night.
This guy's food.
This guy. Much. Oh, that's looking class.
This guy's food.
Alright fam, so that's pretty much us for tonight. We're gonna dig in and call it a night, eh?
Yeah, we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna head up. And us, actually, I'm gonna go for a massage, family. I'm gonna go for a massage. I'm gonna make the most out of this. So yeah, I'm gonna go for a massage and then Tari might go up, play a bit of Fortnite, upload our vlog from today, and then we will see you all
Tomorrow. Alrighty.